Hi everyone, myself Venkatesh. Now I came in front of you to tell a few words about the self-compacting and self-healing concrete. This is a part of the concrete technology subject. First of all, we will discuss about the introduction of advanced concrete. Traditional concrete is the world's most used building material but faces significant challenges including the needs for manual compaction, cracking, and overtime and costly long-term maintenance requirements. To overcome these issues, civil engineers having developed smart and high performance concrete that is revolutionized and construction practice. Self-compacting concrete, that is mean by SSC, address placement and workability challenges through the su- superior flow characteristics. Self-healing concrete, it is meant by SHC, addresses durability maintenance through a automatic crack repair mechanism. What is self-compacting concrete? SSC means self-compacting concrete is a highly flowable and non-segregated concrete that can be spreaded into places, fill the formwork, and reinforcement without an mechanical vibrations. How is it works? It is uses high proportion of fine aggregate and specified superplasticizers to increase the flow and viscosity, modifying agents to heavy aggregates floating even without sinking. The steps these steps are followed to works filling ability and passing ability and segregation resistance. First of all, filling ability, flow early under its own weight. Next, passing ability, flow through a reinforcement without blocking. Segregation resistance, maintains uniform composition. Next, handling and test the SSC. Uh, these some steps are followed in handling and testing the SSC. First of all, we will follow the mixed design, and second one is transporting and pouring. Third one is slump flow test. Fourth one is V funnel test. L- and fifth one is L box test. We will discuss about first one, mixed design. Requires strict quality control at the batching. Plant moisture content in aggregates must be careful monitored to ensure proper consistency. Next, transportation and pouring. Flows rapidly, so formwork must be completely watertight to prevent the leakages but built stronger and to withstand higher hydrostatic force. Next one is slump flow test. Measure the spread diameter, assess the flowability. Next one is V funnel test. Measure the time it takes concrete to flow through a funnel, testing viscosity. L box test. Last one is L box test. Check how will it passes through a steel reinforcement bars. Next one is advantages and application of a self compacting concrete. First of all, we will discuss about the advantages of the self compacting concrete. Faster construction and labor savings, better finish and noise reduction. Faster construction means elimination of time consuming vibration process, and labor saving means requires few workers on the site pouring. Next is better finish, produce a high smooth and surface finish immediately after casting. Noise reduction means no noise vibrate, so making it deal for urban areas. And next we will discuss about the applications of SSC, self compact concrete. Heavily reinforced columns and foundations, complex architectural shapes where vibration is impossible, drilled shaft, retaining walls, and underground structures requiring precise placements. Next, what is self-healing concrete? It is also known as the bioconcrete. This is specialized concrete capable automatically repairing its own micro cracks without human interventions. Uh, there are following steps in the self-healing concrete: Domin- dormant bacteria, crack formation, self-repair. Dormant bacteria, specialized bacillus species and calcium lactate embedded in the biodegradable capsules. Next, crack formation. Water and oxygen enter through cracks and activating demoted bacteria. Self repairs. Bacteria consumes food and excrete limestone, calcium carbonate, filling and sealing the cracks. Next one is handling and preparing of self healing concrete. These steps are followed. First one is mix preparation, second one is storage, third one is curing. First of all, preparation. The bacteria or chemical healing agents must be safely encapsulated in the light weight of clay, and they survive harsh and highly pH mixing process. Storage. The dry mix the dry mix encapsulated additives must be kept strictly dry until to batching prevent the permanent activation. Curing. Standard the curing methods apply the but requires moisture for the healing process to activate the once cracks from later in its lifespan. Next, advantages and applications of self-healing concrete. Firstly, we will discuss about the advantages. Increased lifespan. Increased lifespan means the prevents the water and chloride from the reaching steel reinforcement, stopping rust before starts before start extending of structure like massive cost saving. It reduces the expensive and difficult manual repairs and infrastructures over decided services. Eco-friendly. Reduce the need tear down and rebuild damaged structures, lower carbon emissions and material waste. Key applications. We will discuss the key applications of self-healing concrete. Under struct- underground structure, marine structure, infrastructure, tunnels, basements, and where manual repairs is nearly impossible. Marine structures, it means exposed to constant salt water corrosion. Next, infrastructure, bridges and highway overpasses. Next one is conclusion. Both SSC and self SHC represented future of civil engineering, offering the revolutionary solutions under long standing construction challenges. SCC construction phase, optimizing placement and superior flow and saving the time and labor during the pouring. SHC lifespan space, optimize durability through the automatic repair, saving maintenance and repair costs. As the production cost decreases, smart materials will become a standard, paving with the sustainable, durable, and highly resilient infrastructure. Thank you.